Hello everyone. In this tutorial, let's create a callout template using the template wizard. To do this, we'll need the construction module. We have to create an object. Let it be a segment 500 millimeters long. Then, create a construction note and define the connected parameters here. Let's take the length from the drawing. We use the pick from drawing options, then specify the object from which we will take properties. Select the length property. Click OK and set the callout. Select the callout, right-click on it, and select Option, Save Object as Template. Next, click on the Create Template button. We'll specify the name, path, and save it. Let's expand the folder in our database, and as we can see, our template has appeared. Let's add another segment of a different length to the drawing and use the template of this callout. Use it and specify our new line. As you can see, the length information is displayed correctly. If you need to distribute database objects, you can open the context menu by right-clicking on the object and selecting the Export Object option. All database objects are stored in files with the mcdi extension. Now let's remove our object from the library. Create a new project and import our file into it. Subsequently, this callout can be inserted into the drawing for new objects. Adaptive communication with new objects and their parameters will be preserved. This concludes the lesson on callout templates. Thank you for attention. See you in the next lessons.